this lesson, we'll take a look at how to create a snap hook using the snap hook feature found on the Fastening Features toolbar. I'll click on the snap hook icon to bring up the snap hook property manager. To define the snap hook, all we have to do is fill in the information in the property manager. I'll select an edge to position the hook. I'll choose a flat face to indicate the vertical direction of the hook. I'll select the front reference plane to specify the direction the hook should be facing. If the direction doesn't look quite right to you, use the reverse direction checkbox to flip the direction to the opposite side. Next, I'll specify the height of the hook, and I'll enter values to define the rest of the snap hook geometry. I'll click OK, and the snap hook is complete. One parameter missing from the property manager is the position of the hook itself. We defined an edge where the hook was to be attached, but we didn't specify how far along the edge we need the hook. To specify this, all we have to do is edit the sketch found in the property manager under the snap hook feature. This is a 3D sketch that contains a point representing the center of the hook feature. In this case, I'll edit the sketch and add a relation to place the point at the center of the edge. I'll exit the sketch, and the snap hook is in place.